Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a message to a group on Instagram using your PC with the latest update. Instagram has made it easier than ever to stay connected with your friends and communities right from your desktop. So let's dive straight into the simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram's official website. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Messenger. Click on that. This is where all your direct messages and group chats live, just like on your phone. Next, you'll want to find the group you want to message. Use the search bar at the top of the Messenger panel to type in the name of the group chat. When it appears in the list, click on it to open the conversation window. This lets you see all the previous messages and get ready to send your new one. Now, simply click into the message box at the bottom of the chat window. Type out whatever you want to say to the group. Whether it's a quick hello, sharing a photo, or coordinating plans, this is your space to communicate. Once your message is ready, hit the send button. It looks like a small paper plane icon. And your message will instantly be delivered to everyone in the group. That's it. You've successfully sent a message to a group on Instagram from your PC. This update really streamlines the process, making it convenient to keep up with your social circles without needing to pick up your phone. Whether you're working, studying, or just browsing, staying connected has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. Sending messages to groups on Instagram from your computer is just a few clicks away.